In a quaint village, a legend spoke of a fiery phoenix that cursed anyone who dared to disturb its slumber. Curious, young Timmy decided to test the tale. I bet it's just a bedtime story, he chuckled, venturing into the forbidden forest. As he tiptoed around, a loud squawk echoed. "Who's there?" Timmy yelped, eyes wide. Suddenly, a majestic bird appeared, feathers blazing. "You seek the curse?" it asked, eyes twinkling. Timmy nodded nervously. "All right," the phoenix grinned. "You'll forever have the hiccups." Timmy laughed. "Guess I should have brought water?" Remember, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.